Let's not forget that beyond traditional funds, I mean, the regulator has been in a big overdrive as always, right? Batting for the investor. And we have newer products coming in. 25 saw the launch of SIFs. 25 saw REITs get reclassified as equity. So if a fund wants to add more equity exposure, REITs or real estate investment trusts are being treated as equity. So that fund can invest in REITs as well. These are big changes, right? So this or anything else, any new products that we should watch out for, Feroze?
I'm very, very bullish on SIF. Because when I came into the industry, the first thing which hit me is there's so many people wanting to manage cash market money for larger good. But there's hardly anybody who's doing derivative skill for larger good. Everybody who knows derivatives is sitting in a room and making money for himself or a couple of friends of his. So derivative for larger good doesn't exist till date except structured products.
Doesn't sound, it's an alien concept, derivatives for larger good.
Yeah, so that's why I started learning derivatives, because there's nobody else who's wanting to. So I'm so happy that SIF is launched. Today, when you have a discussion in an AMC with their derivative representative, there's so many which don't have. Now they've gone on to higher. They don't know Black-Scholes pricing model. They don't know Delta, Vega, Gamma, Theta, Rho. And they're now having SIF license. So people are building skills. So I'm bullish long-term extensively. And SEBI has always said, I start small and give. Now there is 25 bips of 0.25% to 25% leverage possible. As the industry evolves, there'll be more freedom and a larger canvas. So SIF, I'm very, very bullish. Second, I think I have to, like, since you mentioned regulator, and I've met some of them in formal context, they're so receptive to industry feedback. You see the latest circular of the consultation paper. There's so much pragmatic action rather than very, very one-sided action. So I think SEBI has been very client-centric, and if any investor watching has doubt of regulatory framework of a mutual fund, the only choice you have is to leave money under your bed. I'm not joking. If you're still anxious about SEBI regulation of mutual fund, then the only choice you're left with. And the same guy is speaking about regulation. One guy is speaking to me about regulation of mutual fund and is invested in a cryptocurrency and left it on some wallet, and it has been hacked. And the same guy ironically was saying mutual fund mein na bahut gafla ho sakta hai.